Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid kong star viewers? Welcome back. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga subscribers at sa mga bumabalik dito at tumatangkilik dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star to Quintaro. Sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta, hands up po sa inyong lahat dito. Thank you at pasensya na at medyo bihira na lang po ako nagtataro reading and know that I have been thinking about you guys and you have an important message here. We have yes or no reading. Alright, so we have two piles. It's been a while, no? Hindi talaga ako tarot reading ng multiple options dito or piles or pick a card reading. So anyway, we have pile number 1, the Magician, and pile number 2, Ace of Wands. So, mag-meditate muna kayo bago kayo pumili dito sa ating category or this two piles. You can choose one or multiple piles. So, mag-meditate kayo and isipin ninyo, no, kung alin ang piles na tumatawag pansin sa inyo or para sa inyo dito. You can choose two piles and I do hope na makarasunit kayo sa mga piles na pinipili ninyo, ano. And good luck and make sure prepare or piniprepare nyo na yung mga katanungan and the answer will be yes or no dito sa ating reading. And I do hope na you receive the answer during this reading. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Hello, pile number 1. Kamusta kayong lahat dito sa pumipili ng The Magician? So, most of you here, sa mga pumipili ng ating pile number 1, The Magician, you have been surrounded with so many good friends, guides, angel guides, your loved ones. Meron dito very specific, ano, you, siguro namatayan ka ng anak and one of your or yung anak mo na sumalangit na ay been watching you. Isa siya sa sumasabay-bay sa inyo, kapatid. Yung iba naman dito sa inyo, ikaw yung tao. This is your energy, ha? Pile number 1. If this is not you or your energy, kung hindi mo feel itong energy na nabanggit ko dito, meaning this might not meant for you. Maybe you should choose pile number 2, no? And continue if you are still interested on listening to this reading, ano. So feel free. Pile number 1, yeah, you have been manifesting. I'm getting like hindi ka nawalan ng pag-asa. You are still holding the key. Marami kang mga options, marami kang mga taong tinutulungan. You have a big heart. Yeah, kung ikaw ay kumikita, kahit kunting pera man lang, sinishare mo yan sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. No? Hindi ka naging madamot. Pwera na lang yung mga tao sa paligid mo na iniiba. No? Hindi ka, ang tawag dito, iniiba yung pagiging mabuting tao mo. Ano? Yun yung mga bitter. So, you don't have to mind them. Just focus on the good stuff. Yung mga positive doings, you know, yung mga good deeds. So keep on going and you are guided and they are so proud of you. Your ancestors, your guardian angels, your guides, the universe has been there watching you. Marami kang mga guides na ginagabayan ka, pile number 1. And you are lucky. So just so you know, mga kapatid, if you choose pile number 1, swerte ka pa rin. Swerte ka pa rin na kahit anong dagok na mga problema ang natatamasa mo, ang na-encounter sa buhay mo or na-experience mo, you are still lucky enough that your guides been guiding you, sending you protection, giving you what's best for you. Kung ano yung hinihiling mo kay universe, most likely ay binibigay sa iyo. No? So you are so lucky and brilliant. I'm hearing like you are brilliant, matalino, gifted. Yeah, you are being gifted about finances, gifted about talent, gifted about your integrity or something about your knowledge. Marami kang alam. Meron naman ditong gifted about sa looks, confident, whatever you ask, as long as it's from the bottom of your heart, you are being given this gift because you deserve this. All right, so you are so lucky. Pile number 1, and this is you. And let's go get your message from the universe. Okay. Anong dapat mong malaman? Spirit Guide Angels, anong dapat malaman sa ating mga collective pile number 1 from their ancestors? Oo, meron tayo ditong bad luck. So, importante ito mga kapatid. Huwag tayo matakot kung ano itong bad luck. It's a good thing na manalaman ka dito, no? The universe is giving you a sign na it could be something going on that you need to be aware of. Money is on your way. Like again, kung ano ito minamanifest mo about your finances, pile number 1, stability is on your way. You don't have to worry anything. Keep going. And, panatilihin mong maging matatag and magtrabaho ng magtrabaho, huwag mawala ng pag-asa kasi ito, suportado ka ng inyong angel guides. Your spirit team, your ancestors, your loved ones, or kung may anak kang na pumanaw na, they're there watching you, providing you. Piniprovide kung ano yung kailangan mo, kung ano yung importante para sa'yo. Ano pa? And get ready. Like again, there will be something special or I'm hearing like big changes. Kung ano itong minamanifest mo, like again guys, as a reminder, be careful on what you are wishing for. Mag-ingat-ingat tayo kung ano yung pinipray natin. Make sure you are always praying good things to others and good things for you. Huwag tayong manalangin ng hindi maganda sa kapwa, but dahil yun ay babalik sa atin. Right? So don't worry about those negative people, mga bitterness, mga inggit, no? Or mga sakuna sa buhay natin, yung mga challenges, you are being guided. And just be ready because there's something good is happening na mangyari at malapit na itong minamanifest mo, something bigger and greater, it's going to happen. Marireceive mo ito, a gift from the universe because you deserve this. Alright? Alamin natin kung ang tungkol saan itong bad luck na ito. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, ano itong tungkol saan? Tungkol saan pala itong bad luck for my viewers, collective, para aware sila? Okay. Be careful guys sa mangliligaw, ano? I'm hearing like mangliligaw. Meron tayo ditong someone might going to offer you something. So be careful para hindi tayo ma-scam, ano? Yeah. Okay. This could be about family. There could be like something about there will be a wish come true, releasing dreams, happiness, cheerfulness, joy, fulfillment. Guys, and be careful din sa mga know that people loves you. Remember, you just have to be, I'm getting like emotional imbalance. Alright? Huwag mong isipin na hindi ka mahal ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Huwag mong isipin na ginagamit ka lang nila. Sometimes, I think it's just like you, yourself. You just have to be balanced. That could be the bad luck for you, no? Emotional imbalance. Nagtatampo, feeling unloved, feeling unwanted, like again, friends, most likely family, no? So, wag tayong magtampo. I know it's normal. Normal lang na maramdaman natin yan. But know that, wag mo silang kalimutan. Wag mong hayaan na maputol ang relasyon mo sa iyong pamilya. Because, blood is thicker than the water. Right? No matter what, sila lang din ang makakasama mo habang buhay. Andyan pa rin sila. Yung mga challenges na yan, it's part of your life. Part of our life. We just have to be strong and keep fighting, no? Para maging panatilihing mabuo ang pamilyang ito. Huwag mong hayaan na sirain ng ibang tao o ng mga sakuna sa buhay itong pamilya mo, itong nabuo mo. Keep dreaming high and remember, paalala lang ito, like guys, china-channel ko lang yung mensahe dito na kukuha ko. Remember, ano ba yung naging dahilan kung bakit andyan ka? Kung bakit ginagawa mo ito? Itong, whatever you are started, sinimulan mo na ito. Itong binuo mong pamilya, itong pangarap mo, sabihin natin as example, no? Napunta ka sa abroad para sa pamilya mo. And then, nagkaaway lang, nagkito ganyan, may mga trials lang, and then, wala na, parang iniwan na lang. Like again, guys, lagi mong isipin, the reason why you're doing this, you want to continue your studies, no? Para mabuo ang pangarap mo, para makatulong ka sa pamilya mo, or you want to, that's the reason nga nasa abroad ka, nagtatrabaho ka ng maayos, or in general, you're doing this for your family. No matter what happened, andyan sila. Yes, may mga trials lang sometimes talaga ay it's part of our growth para maintindihan itong mga na-experience natin. So, again, huwag hayaan na kahit anong mangyari, yung mga sakuna, yung mga challenges, ay hayaang masira ito. Keep on going and keep on manifesting and pray what's best for everybody, for you and for your family. All right, and then that will the wish fulfillment. Diyan na yan ibibigay ng universe. Dahil ready ka na. Pag ready ka na, yan, mabubuo muli ito. Marireceive mo ito. Yes, siguro, minsan talaga, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng emotional imbalance. Emotional imbalance, like again, guys, nasa gitna ka na. Malapit ka na makarating sa tuktok, no? Sa finish line. So, huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Stay strong. Kaya mo to. And soon, like again, get ready. Money's on your way. Even if may mga bad luck dito, hindi ito harang para hindi ma-fulfill itong pangarap mo sa buhay. Alright, so that's the message for you from the universe. And it's about family, no? Like again, as a reminder, huwag kalimutan na kahit ano mangyari, family is always there. No? Huwag natin kalimutan yung good memories. No, wag natin isang tabing lahat-lahat ng mga yun. Ipaglaban natin. All right? So, stay strong mga kapatid and manalangin, no? Naway lahat ng problemang ito ay magkaroon ng pagwawakas, mag-ending ito and magkaroon ng at the end of the day, everything will goes well and mabuo itong pangarap mo and to receive this stability, no, or makayanan mo itong suporta na gustong-gusto mong maibigay sa pamilya mo. So wag mawalan ng pag-asa mga kapatid and stay strong. Do not let this challenges, problems or mga tao sa paligid mo na mga bitter ay siyang makakasira sa pangarap mo, no? And know that the universe, you have a lot of spirit team watching you, guiding you to protect you no matter what. Just continue praying, believe in yourself and believe in the universe. Alright, so yes or no na tayo. Ready? So, post nyo muna ang reading na ito and the answer will be yes or no. Okay. Alright, Spirit, can you just yes or no sa ating mga collective pile number 1? Yes or no? Okay, we have here, maybe. Alright, so wag tayo magalit guys ha. Like again, this could be the sign. The answer is yes or no. Like again, maybe. It could happen, it could be not. It depends. So continue on manifesting. The magician, you are holding the key. So keep your raise your vibration, no? Positive energy, positive vibe. Do not let this roller coaster emotion, no? Itong mga bad habits, itong mga do not let people to destroy your happiness or sirain ang iyong mga kaligayahan, ang iyong pamilya. Keep fighting for. And the universe is there to guide you and protect you. Remember that. Alright? I love you guys and I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito, pile number 1. And I'll see you guys in my next reading. Thank you and goodbye. Hello, pile number 2 sa pumili ng ating the Ace of Wands. Alright? Ace of Wands. Ito yung iyong current energy. Kasulukuyan kayong focus, no? Focus sa inyong, it could be a voice lesson, maybe yung iba dito, kung magandang iyong boses, maybe you need to an extra, no, sa trabaho, a talent, baka nag-i-evolve ang iyong talent, maybe you need a voice lesson para mas maging hasa ang iyong boses, ang iyong galing sa pagkanta, sa pagsayaw, whatever talent you have, and something about na sa pag-aaral, it could be really sa trabaho, negosyo, may dapat kang matutunan dito or pag-aaralan mo pa, no? Kailangan pa na do some more research. Siguro yung iba dito sa inyo, pile number 2, busy, no, lately sa pag-aaral, sa pagtutok sa negosyo, sa pagtutok sa mga I don't know about your talent, related sa yung talent. Yeah, it's something about like you are afraid of. I don't know what it's about. kung ano itong takot mo. But girl, guy, mga kapatid, huwag tayong matakot. Know that you are truly gifted. Kailangan mo lang talaga na pag-aralan ito and mag-focus ka muna dito. No? At yeah, you need to study hard. Whatever it is, this is your energy, pile number 2. And focus kayo muna, no? Dito sa inyong dapat pagtuunang pansin. Ang iyong pag-aaral, ang iyong talento, ang iyong finances. Kung kailangan mong magsulat, isulat mo lahat. Kung kailangan mo ng something about like para maalala mo, ano. Baka lately, makakalimutan mo. Example, no, kung pupunta ka ng grocery store, mamimili ka, mag-shopping ka, isulat mo muna yung mga importante kung anong dapat bilhin. And then later on, the rest na yung mga kung ano-ano lang bibilhin, ano, kung may extra pa. And para hindi mo makalimutan, para pag uwi mo ng bahay, nabili mo lahat yung mga importanteng dapat bilhin. So again, gumawa ka ng journal, magsulat ka, mag-ilista mo lahat ng dapat ilista. I-focus mo dito. Something about focus and study. Study hard, alright? And yeah, yung iba naman dito sa inyo, you have becoming more stronger as a psychic. Psychically, I don't know, you might be afraid, no? Natatakot ka siguro, pile number 2, sa natutuklasan mo. Siguro lately, may natutunan ka and it scares you. Natakot ka. And you don't know what to do. I don't know what it is, but like again guys, this is general reading, collective reading. Kunin nyo lang mga kapatid kung saan ka nakasunit, kung hindi naman para yung sa iba. Alright, so wag lang tayong bitter. Love, love, love lang po tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. Pile number 2, you have becoming more stronger, more knowledgeable, no? So you are gifted about talent, knowledge, and psychically, you are psychically gifted. And sa mga readings, no? It's something about like your energy is being so strong. Mas nagbo-boost ang iyong sense of I don't know, sense of knowing, sense of maybe it could be your 5 senses, nakakarinig ka, nakakaramdam ka, your third eye, no, mas nagiging malakas. And siguro lately maraming lumalapit sa iyo, lumalapit na hihingi ng tulong, you could be a healer, no? Dito sa inyo, pile number 2. And like again, karamihan sila dito ay busy. Busy sa mga ginagawa. And trying your best to stay balanced, no? Para sa iyong, I don't know, whatever you do. Work, studies, finances, knowledge, and it could be about your looks and your psychic power, no? So again, guys, this is your energy reading, energy at this moment. Kung hindi ka nakaka-resonate, din meaning para yun sa iba. Kung hindi naman, if the whole energy na nababanggit ko dito sa inyo, pile number 2, kung hindi nyo man na-feel, no, ramdam na ito ikaw, meaning maybe this is not for you, pile number 2, maybe you should choose pile number 1 as well. And yung iba naman dito sa inyo, you could be like, I don't know, like facing a lot of opportunity. Yung iba dito, opportunity about like I don't know, like bibili, or opportunity of finding a new job, relocating, and siguro lately magulo ang iyong isipan kasi undecided ka, pile number 2, and you just don't know what to do. And kaya nga dito napunta ka sa reading na ito sa yes or no dahil you want confirmation. And later malalaman natin, no, kung confirm yes or no about this, itong gumugulo sa iyong isipan, itong options, opportunity na kinakaharap mo ngayon. Alright? So, yeah. Yung iba naman dito sa inyo, like again, it could be about gumugulo sa iyong isipan about like an ending. I don't know, an end of contract. Siguro dapat mo itong i-end, no? This could be the sign. Yung iba dito sa inyo na malapit na. Whatever na mag-i-end, meron mag-i-end dito. Siguro malapit na itong mag-end na I don't know what is this mag-e-end. Alamin natin, no, as a bonus. Spirit challenges. Ano itong malapit na mag-e-end sa ating mga collective na lately ay gumugulo sa kanila. Ano itong nag-e-end? Tungkol saan ito? Okay, it could be friendship or relationship yung iba dito, o partnership. Yes, may mag-e-end dito. I don't know, a marriage, contract. Yeah, partnership. Like again guys, kunin nyo lang ha. Mayroon kasi ditong malapit ng mag-e-end. If this is not what you are manifesting or what you wish for or what you want for, then find out how to keep this situation to na hindi mag-end. No, gumawa ka ng paraan. Siguro yun ba dito sa inyo, that could be what you are doing right now. Gumagawa kayo ng paraan para ma-continue itong kinakaharap ninyo. Yeah. And kaya nga siguro focus kayo no sa ginagawa niyo ngayon. Focus kayo na maging stable ang relationship mo sa iyong pamilya, sa iyong karelasyon, or stable ang iyong pag-aaral na hindi mag-end or hindi mag-stop sa pag-aaral. You are doing your best or you're trying your best na ma-fulfill itong pinapangarap mo, itong ginagawa mo no na ayaw mong mag-stop. Yeah. Gumagawa ka ng paraan and para hindi mag-end ito. And that's good, no? Yung iba dito sa inyo. And yeah. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, maybe napunta ka sa reading na ito dahil you could be dealing about opportunity, ano, mag-abroad, trabaho, or an options. It could be relationship, partnership. Maybe you are planning. Kasi meron itong nagpaplano ka siguro na for what's next. Ano yung dapat kong gawin? And kaya nga napunta ka dito sa reading, ano, yes or no. Maybe, like again, you could be dealing about option, a plan, no? Dapat pa itong gawin, yes or no. So, yeah, and you are in the right pile number 2. If this is what you are, your energy, no? Na dapat ko pa itong gawin, ipurso ko ba ito, i-continue ko ba ito, meron kasi ditong lumalaban, meron naman dito na plano mag-i-end dahil may extra option, may opportunity na kinakaharap. Like again, meron kasi itong magulo ang yung isipan dahil sa mga options or mga ideas na nare-receive mo, yung iba dito sa inyo, pile number 2. So, yeah, let's find out pile number 2. Spirit guardians, yes or no? So, think of any question, pause muna and mag-meditate ng konti, and the answer will be yes or no. You know what? Sige, yes or no muna, and then after that, a message from the universe, okay? Alright, pause muna guys, meditate and ask any question. Alright, Spirit guardians, yes or no sa ating mga collective? You guys ready, collective? Alright, yes or no sa ating mga collective? So, we have, okay, maybe. Same lang din, no? Sa pile number 1 and pile number 2, maybe. So, extra natin, no? Spirit guardians, yes or no? Para ma-confirm sa ating mga collective, yung iba dito. Alright. It could be maybe. Maybe. Could be yes. Yung iba dito, this could be related sa inyong investment. You invest so hard para ma-achieve ito. And it could be related sa finances, sa hinihintay mo. Again, karamihan sa dito, nagbibigay ka ng effort na hindi naman effortless, no? Mas nag-e-effort ka sa ginagawa mo. And I don't know, kaya nga siguro, hinihintay mo ito. I'm getting like, hinihintay mo siguro itong result na ito. Are you getting this result? Yes or no, whatever it is. It could be a miracle result or work or studies. Like again guys, kunin nyo lang mga kapatid kung saan nakakasunit. I'm trying my best to get this energy na kukuha natin, ano. Okay, so let's move on. Yes or no mga kapatid. Alright, Spirit guardians, yes or advice from the universe. Keep saving. Alright, so mag-ipon na mag-ipon mga kapatid. And then again, we have here maybe, ha. Yes or no, ano ba yan? Yes or no pa rin. Advice from the universe for my collective, pile number 2. Anong dapat nilang gawin? Mensahe. Don't expect too much. Okay. What else? Huwag tayo mag-expect ng gaano dahil baka ma-disappoint ka lang, ano. Don't give up the things that you already started. Like again, guys, nasimulan mo na ito. Keep going. Alright? Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Kung ano man ito, nasimulan mo na. Alam mo, parang related din to sa pile number 1 eh. Maybe you choose 2 piles, then if you choose 2 piles, then this message is meant to find you. This is for you. So kung nasimulan mo na to, keep going. Keep on fighting. Keep growing. No? If you want to save your relationship, then fight for it. If you want to keep, I don't know, kung ano yung nasimulan mo kapatid, lagi mong tandaan, bakit mo ba ito sinimulan? Bakit ka pumasok sa ganitong buhay? Bakit ka pumasok sa ganitong karelasyon o sa taong ito? Bakit mo siya tinanggap? Or bakit ka pumasok sa ganyang trabaho? What makes you to choose that decision before, from the start? Isipin mo. And then, wag kang, do not let things to ruin this situation because of any this, yung mga mababaw lang na dahilan. Okay? Lalong-lalo na kung this is related about your dreams or your finances, or number one is family. Okay? Do not give up the things that you already started. Binuo mo itong pamilyang ito, huwag mo hayaan na bumitaw or huwag kang bumitaw. Keep fighting for this situation. Whatever you are in a situation, a family, relationship, work, okay? If you want to let go, kung ayaw mo na talaga, kung nagpapahirap talaga ito sa iyo, then go for it. What makes you happy. Kung kaya mo, lumaban ka. Kung hindi na kaya, ganun talagang buhay. So again guys, I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. I love you guys, and please leave your comment below what you think about this reading or the pile you choose. And natutuwa po ako mabasa ang inyong mga mensahe. And thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next reading. I love you all. Bye!